Division. Dividing a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Our first example is 294 divided by 49. In this example, we must divide 49 into the entire number of 294. When dividing into a large number, I like to use the multiplication method. The multiplication method will help me figure out how many times 49 can go into 294. Using that method, I know that 49 times 6 is 294, which means 49 can go into 294 6 times. If you're not familiar with the multiplication method, please check out my other videos, How to Divide into Large Numbers or Introduction to Division. Let's continue. 49 goes into 294 6 times. The next step is to multiply 49 times 6. 49 times 6 is 294. The next step is to subtract. 294 minus 294 is 0. And we're done. 294 divided by 49 is 6. Our next example is 156 divided by 12. In this example, we do not have to divide 12 into all of 156. We can divide 12 into 15. It's always easier when you can divide into a smaller part of the dividing. 12 will go into 15 one time. So we're going to place 1 over the 5 because 5 is the last digit of the number we're dividing into. So 1 goes here over the 5. Then we multiply 12 times 1. 12 times 1 is 12. And we write 12 under 15 because 15 is the number we're working with. The next step is to subtract 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Next, we must divide into 6. To do that, we're going to bring down the 6, and 6 goes here next to the 3. We now have 36. Again, we have to divide 12 into 36. 12 goes into 36 3 times. And next we must multiply 12 times 3. 12 times 3 is 36. Again, the next step is to subtract. 36 minus 36 is 0. And now we're done. There are no more numbers to bring down, and there are no more numbers to divide into. 156 divided by 12 is 13. Remember, please check out my video, Introduction to Division, or my other video, How to Divide into Large Numbers, to learn how to divide into large numbers using the multiplication method. Here are some examples for you to try on your own. Dividing 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Give these examples a try. And the answers are in the description box of this video. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.